If you need to send a SurveyMonkey link via email, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you want to email the survey link to a few people or share it with a larger audience, this method will help you get it done fast. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign in to your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, find the survey you want to send and click on it to open it. This is important because you need to be inside the correct survey before you can publish or share it. Next, look for the Publish Survey option. Click on that to open the sharing and distribution settings for your survey. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you different ways to collect responses, including sending the survey link directly through email. Now, once the Publish options load, you'll see a sharing section where you can copy the survey link. Click on Copy so you can grab the link quickly. After that, you can paste it into your email message and send it to the people you want to reach. This is the simplest way if you just want to include the SurveyMonkey link inside a normal email. If you want to use SurveyMonkey's built-in email sending feature, you may also see an option for sending by mail. Keep in mind that this feature may require an upgraded plan, so if you're using the free version, the copy and paste method is usually the best option. That way you can still send your survey link through Gmail, Outlook, or any other email service you prefer. To do that, open your email platform, create a new message, add your recipients, write a short message explaining the survey, and paste in the SurveyMonkey link. You can also add a clear call to action like, please complete this survey, or your feedback would be greatly appreciated. Then review the email, make sure the link works, and hit send. A good tip is to keep your email short, clear, and direct, so people know exactly why they're getting the survey. You can also mention how long it takes to complete, which can help improve responses. If you're sharing the survey with a team or customers, make sure the subject line is simple and easy to understand, and that's it. You've now learned how to send a SurveyMonkey link via email using the easiest method, plus the built-in send option if your plan supports it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.